Okay, so let's try going over IV drug or IV drip calculations, and this is just for like if you want to figure out how much normal saline to administer to a patient, let's say over an hour. So what you're going to do, your basic formula is going to include the volume to administer, and this is going to be in milliliters, okay, times your drip set divided by time in minutes. Alright, so the volume to administer, so let's say if you had a 1 liter, if you were ordered to give 1 liter, that would be 1,000 milliliters. So you want to make sure it's in milliliters. So let's go to another page. So what our protocol, we're going to pretend our protocol says to give a trauma patient 1,000 milliliters over an hour. So that's what we've been told to give. And they want us to give lactated Ringer's of LR. So 1,000 milliliters, which is the same as 1 liter, over an hour. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in our formula, which is the volume in milliliters times drip set divided by time in minutes, right? So to do that, so the volume is 1,000 times our drip set, and we're going to use a 10 drop set, divided by time in minutes, which is 60. Now, what that's going to do is we're going to multiply 10 times 1,000, and that gives us 10,000 divided by 60. And that means that we are going to administer, and this is why it's good to have a calculator handy, but if I had to figure it out longhand, I would, but I don't have to right now. That's 166.66. 166.66, and we'll just round up to 167 drops per minute. And that will equal up to right at 1,000 an hour. So let's try another one. Let's see, our book has an example of an order is given to give 250 milliliters of normal saline over 90 minutes. So 250 milliliters of normal saline over 90 minutes. So we're going to use a 10 drop set again. So we're using the 10 drop set, so our formula is going to be 250 times 10 divided by 90 this time. So what we're going to do here is we will just multiply 250 times 10. That will equal 2,500. Divided by 90. And that equals 27.7. So we will up to 28 drops a minute, which is what our book